Hello everyone. I am Dr. Huzefa Bappe. Recently, I secured an All India rank of 151 in this November INICET. So, a brief introduction about myself. I did my MBBS from Ashwini Medical College, Solapur, and completed my internship in June of this year. I secured an All India rank of 15,000 in NEET PG and 3,700 in May INICET. In this video, I would like to share about my strategy and the various resources which I use. So the PDF of some of these resources will be available in my Telegram channel. You can check the pinned comment for the same. So let's get started. For anatomy, I read it from BTR and BTR bonus. And you know that one question is always from histology in NEET PG. So I did it from one-shot histology. And one-shot anatomy is especially good for cadaveric images. Both of them are by Dr. Ashwini Kumar. Biochemistry and physiology, I did it from Marrow revision notes. Coming to pharmacology, I did it from One-Touch Pharmacology by Dr. Ranjan Patel and BTR bonus. Pathology, I did it from Prep Ladder Rapid Revision by Dr. Preeti Sharma. Microbiology, I did it from Prep Ladder Rapid Revision by Dr. Sunil Pawar. FMT, I did it from Marrow revision notes. Then ENT, PSM and ophthalmology, I read it from BTR and BTR bonus. Medicine, I read it from DAMS, DVT. Rheumatology and hematology, I did it from BTR. Surgery, I did it from Marrow revision notes. OBGYN, I did it from One Touch Obstetric and Gynecology by Dr. Sakshi Arora ma'am. Anesthesia, I did it from Marrow revision notes. Orthopedics, I did it from BTR and BTR bonus. Psychiatry, I did it from DAMS, DVT and BTR bonus. Dermatology, I did it from Zenapora ma'am Unacademy classes. Pediatrics, I did it from BTR and BTR bonus. Radiology, I did it from Prep Ladder Rapid Revision by Dr. Zenapora. And I used Dr. Nikita Nanwani ma'am mnemonics wherever it was necessary. Like I added it to my notes, like the CAP classification or the Strasbourg classification of choledocalcins. For INICET especially, one question is of new drugs. So I did all the new drugs of that year, like YouTube videos of the same are available. And recent updates, like if you scroll down in the Marrow app, you will find a section on recent update. These are especially important from INICET point of view. Coming to my strategy, I concise all my notes for revision, and I used just that in the last 6 months to prepare. Then every day I used to do 100 PYQ, and weekly I used to give a GT and review the grand test on the same day. So if your aim should be to get at least 98th percentile in GT, ideally more than 95th percentile, but at least 98th percentile. Then you should. I made a 20th notebook, which can be used to revise in the last 2 to 3 days before the exam. In the 20th notebook, you can add formulas or investigation of choice. Like subject-wise, in example in anatomy, you can write the pharyngeal arch, the derivatives, or the arteries which are derived from the pharyngeal arches. Then in surgery, you can write the suture materials, various like that. Whichever volatile stuff like you would forget, you can write it, or you can add it, so you can revise quickly revise in the last 3 to 4 days of before your exam. Then coming to the schedule, like I won't give a specific schedule. You should make your own schedule, and it should be such that you should be able to complete at least 2 to 3 revisions in the last 3 months. So if you have any weak subject, so you can example, if medicine is your weak subject, so you can give it a little more time, like 5 to 6 days. And if gynecology is your strong subject, so you can give a little less time, like 2 to 3 days. So first you should complete medicine in your schedule, and then you should go for your strong subject like gynecology. Then coming to how many questions to attempt. For NEET, you should attempt almost all the questions. Like you can leave 1 to 2 questions if you are not sure. Then for INICET, you should attempt at least 190 questions. So this is my INICET scorecard. So as you can see, I attempted 194 questions. Even though I got 51 wrong, still I got a very good rank. So yeah, like you should be aggressive in marking your question. Okay. Then is BTR or DVT enough? So yes, it is enough, provided you solve grand tests and PYQ, and so subjects which have a high weightage and where concepts are required, especially like medicine, OBGYN. I would suggest that you just go through your main notes at least once or twice to have a good foundation. And subjects which have a low weightage like anesthesia, psychiatry, or radiology, you can skip the main note. So that's it. Thank you all, and don't forget to
whatever.